Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain about what is Express. So let's start. Express is a web development framework using Node.js platform. So if you want to develop any project in the current world, we use the framework. Why sir? Very simple reason. Framework contains ready-made features. Means common logic for the required for any web application development generally provided by the framework. It is well tested. That is why every company is using the framework, sir. So right now Express is a web development framework for what platform? Node.js platform. For comparison, Spring framework I am using for Java. .NET MVC I am using for .NET applications. Django for Python applications. Likewise, Express for Node.js platform. So why I should use the Express framework? These are the four top reasons why I should use the Express. The first one, Express is a rapid web development framework. Means it provides very much productivity. Means we no need to write the logic, low level logic. Everything is provided by the framework. So developer can concentrate on application development. Means your application developments are not the common logic required for your application development. So who will provide the common logic, sir? Framework. Right now what framework? Express. Next one, middleware support. So sometimes some logic I want to apply for all requests. Means there are some logic like security logic I need to apply for all my requests, sir. So where we are going to write? In every request processing method? No sir, we should not write in every request processing method. So where we are going to write, sir? Middleware. Sir, what is middleware? I am a fresher and I cannot understand. We can discuss this one in the coming days, means in the coming videos. Next one, router support. In general, every web application develops using module concept, sir. Sir, what is module? The fundamental thing, we cannot write everything in one controller or in one file. Always our entire application divided into different functional areas. In a company, I call these functional areas or as modules. I call these functional areas in a company as modules. So right now every module is developed in a separate file. Now how you are going to integrate in your application with all these files, sir? By using router concept. So we can see this one in the coming videos. Next one, sir, allows to dynamically render HTML pages. Express support lot of UI frameworks. So how you are going to we can see this concept also in the coming videos. Installation, very simple, sir. The first one, create the Node.js project, install the Express framework. Sir, how to install? There is no rocket science. Very simple command we can execute. The command is very simple. Let me show you. npm install --save Express. So this is the way we can install any library into the Node.js project. So remember this command, npm install --save the library name. So right now what is the one we are trying to install? npm install --save Express. So we can install any library by using. So let's create a simple example and let us understand the same. In this example, I will create the application, registering the request handling methods, start the server. So I will create a simple web application. Next one, I will register the request handling methods like get, post, put, delete. So in general, every web application can accept four type of requests: get, post, put, delete, and I will register only get for this example. We can see the different examples with the different methods in the coming videos. Finally, every web application will run by server. So how to start the server also I'm going to show you. So you need to know a simple thing about the Express API. Express framework is very simple, sir. It have only 4 objects or 4 framework related objects we can interact with. First one is application, which represents a web application. Request, response, router. Request response represents the current user request and response. Router, as I told earlier or as I discussed earlier, router represents the module. As I told earlier, I am going to use the VS Code editor for the development. I opened my VS Code editor. As we discussed earlier, first step is creating the Node.js project. Next step is installing the Express framework in the project. So let's do that. First step is creating the Node.js project. I am creating a folder example2. So in this folder, I am generating the package.json file. So let us generate the package.json file npm init. It will ask you about your project details. Example2, version same, description, Express project. Entry point is app.js. Author name is RK. So our package.json file is created. It is a simple Node.js with this basic codes, but my requirement is Node.js project with Express framework. Okay, let us install the Express framework. Very simple command, npm install --save Express. So right now I am trying to install Express framework. So in any Node.js project, if you want to install any library, very simple command, npm install --save the library name. So right now Express. Just press enter. Automatically your npm will try to download all the Express libraries and place it in your project. So this is my project folder, and you can observe a new file is, what is the folder, sir? Node_modules. So here all the Express framework related libraries will be downloaded and it will be placed. So let us open this folder in our VS Code editor and let us create the start the development. So very simple, open folder, example2, select folder. So let me open the package.json. So right now, what is our main file, sir? App.js. So let me create a first app.js file. New file, save it. The file name is app.js. So I created the app.js file. As I told earlier, the first step in the any Express framework is load the framework. Load the framework. Sir, how to load the framework? Very simple. Var Express. You can take any variable name, but as a good programmer, I am taking the Express equal to require. So in the Node.js application, we are going to use a require to load any library. I loaded the library. Next step is create the application object. Create the application object. So very simple. Var app equal to, you can take any name, initialize the application. So right now your Express framework will be initiated and it will return application object. Next one, register request handling methods. What are the different request handling methods are available, or different request methods are available? Get method is there, post method is there, delete method is there, put method is there. So app dot. So see sir, get. So it is expecting two parameters. The first one URL, the second one function. The function expecting request comma response objects. So this is the way we are going to develop the code. Okay, start the server. So very simple logic sir, app dot. I'm starting this my web application on port number 3000. So right now what is the method I am using sir? Listen method. So means start the server on what port number? 3000. So this is the way I'm going to create my application. So it is a 4-step process sir. Very simple 4-step process. What is the first one sir? Load the framework, create the application object, by calling your framework. Next one, register the request handling methods. Likewise I can register get method, post method, put method, delete method. Start the server. So right now I'm not writing anything fancy, very simple one. Response dot send means I'm sending very simple response, hello world. So I completed my code. So right now I'm going to provide very simple one. Get hello. So I loaded the framework. I created the application object. I registered the method. Now I start the server. So our application development is completed. So let's start the server. So how to run the Express framework application? Very simple. Node. What is the file name sir? app.js. So you can see our application is running. Let me open our browser, Google Chrome. Very simple. Localhost colon our port number. What is the port number sir? 3000. And the URL is get hello. So you can see the output. So this is the way I can create a simple web application and execute. This much simple a web application development by using Express. So what are the let us quickly review what we are doing. I created the app.js file. I loaded the framework. I created the application object and I registered the method. So and I started the server. So right now here you can provide or you can perform any request processing logic like verifying the user data or communicating with the database or sending an email, sending an SMS. Likewise you can perform anything sir. How easy it is. Within 5 minutes or 6 minutes you are able to create a simple web application by using Express. That is the beauty of the Express. That is why this one is called as a rapid web application development framework. I hope you understand the example, practice the example and understand the concept. Thank you.